Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch GS3 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application on the phone that is paired. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Another thing we need to mention is that if you want to use the phone application to factory reset your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Honor, or rather Honor Health application. Okay, once the battery is charged and the watch is paired with a phone, we can continue, and now we can open the Honor Watch, or rather Honor Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the application, tap on the device icon, and here you should see your Honor Watch GS3. Tap on it to select it. On this page, scroll down, and at the bottom there should be option called Restore Factory Settings. Tap on it, tap on OK to confirm. The watch will disappear from the device page. We can close the app now, and it should start resetting itself to the factory default settings. So, as you can see, we have the Honor logo. Now let's wait until it's done. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.